Welcome. Here at American Crane, our motto is Grit Matters. What does that mean? That we put perseverance, heart, and integrity into everything we do. We are committed to a culture that fosters the growth, empowerment, and safety of our hardworking employees. Let's use the overhead crane to learn about the different jobs at American Crane. Congratulations! You chose the welder. The welder fabricates and puts together metal parts of the crane. Welders also inspect materials or structures that need welding and maintain welding machinery and equipment. Let's find out how they contribute to American Crane's mission.
For me, it's doing the best job that I can do. I think it means being aware of everybody around you, helping them when they need help, not being afraid to clean a floor, do anything you need to do to get the job done.
Great job! Let's pick another card. Nice work! You chose the crane engineer. At American Crane, mechanical, electrical, and structural engineers are most often involved in the design and product development of cranes, creating products that are durable, powerful, state-of-the-art, and user-friendly. Great job operating the crane. Thank you for watching.